Assalamu alaikum, all of you. I'm not going to take a lot of time, only 5 minutes I will take. So GA Connect is basically Ferozon's initiative, and its main concept is that how we can work for the more better capacity building of healthcare professionals. So lastly, we launched it at PSH. So its concept is that what we can do and how we can actually create such platforms where our healthcare professionals, specifically in which we are covering gastroenterologists and hepatologists, they can learn more. And because we have many new gastroenterologists, emerging gastroenterologists, and they have many queries and questions. So what we can do that for their capacity building. So here is the screenshot of our website, which is GA Connect. So what are the components of GA Connect? First is the GA core, in which our main core members of this initiative. And then we have Knowledge Universe. So currently, it's one of the tab, which is Knowledge Universe. It's functional. And other is the GI Studio. At GI Studio, we are uploading the different podcasts and which are meant for the treatment. It means different diseases will be discussed in that and their treatments. And we have the knowledge. In the knowledge, we have planned different guidelines and different courses that how what we can do for the further capacity building of healthcare professionals. So currently at the Knowledge Universe tab, what we are providing, that is the free access to Journal of Hepatology, that is EASL Journal, and American Journal of Gastroenterology and JAMA. Plus, you will find different hepatology and gastroenterology books, which are freely available there for download, and the up-to-date monograph data. So I would request that if anyone wants to subscribe, they can simply scan the QR code, and they can also approach through gi-connects.com. So there is no fee, nothing, it's free of cost. And you will find all these things where the data will be available for your access. One is actually updated on the weekly basis as well. And then all books, hepatology books are also available there, so you can download the ebooks. We will also send this with all of you separately on your contact numbers as well. So it's two things. You can access this through the QR code as well, and also if you type this http gi-connects.com, you will reach to the website. मे बी वो साइज का या तो उसके ऊपर इशू हो, लेकिन वो फंक्शनल है. नहीं, इट्स फंक्शनल. आप उसको आप वेबसाइट भी टाइप कर सकते हैं, http gi-connects.com. मैं आपको ना लिंक शेयर कर देती हूँ इसका. ओके, थैंक यू.